Hello my friends, this is a second item I got from a active seller. He's doing a lot of upcycle Louis Vuitton stuff. So apparently this is a created as a key as a clay. So this is how it look like. Okay, and I also have a original real Louis Vuitton clay here in obviously different pattern. So this is the one I was using before. This is a monogram, and this one is super old. It's very old. I think it's probably 20 some years old, and I've been using ever since I got this. When I got it, I think I spent more than $100, and it has cracked, as you can see there. And also the hook, like this piece was also broken when I got it, but I will still be able to use it. I use just actually this piece is actually the one I used to attach to him, and I've been using that for 3 years every single day, and I love this item so much because I really don't carry too many cards, and I use it like every single day as a wallet, as a keychain thing. So when I need to get out of the door, all I need is carry this and my phone. You know, it's all set. It's just fantastic. I love it. It's so thin. Put in any of my pockets. So thin, so nice, so durable. But you know, you see the cracks here and there. Consider this is more than 20 years old item. That's why I love Louis Vuitton's items, because these things last forever and so useful. And because of that, and one reason that I really want to get a different pattern is because the purse I use a lot right now, I'm using the Louis Vuitton Noé Petit Noé. It's brown inside, so sometimes it's hard to, you know, quickly get the key out of the purse. And if it's a lighter color one like this, it would be so much easier to find. And it is true, it's so much easier to find. So back to this item. According to the person who sold this sell this stuff, and he said he used the original Louis Vuitton material, so he upcycled these items. To this day, I don't know if this is a true Louis Vuitton item or not. And then you can see those stain kind of thing. It's actually, when I got this item, it's so sticky. I think he's probably didn't wipe off the glue that he used to glue some of the stuff. So it's very sticky, and fiber sticky stuff get to stick to the surface. So you see some of these stain here, but that's where those things coming from. I try to clean it off, but it's not that easy to clean actually. So size wise, these two comparable, I think. The craftsmanship, the corner, you see that, you know, it's not perfect, right? You see the wavy curve, wavy thing. And look at the original one. Impact is nice, right? So the craftsmanship, I think it's okay. I don't know if this will last for 20 some years as this one, but that's the side. For this side, okay, I think it's okay. Craftsmanship, it's okay from, you know, all these three sides. The thing that I don't like a lot, sorry about the noise, is the top. All right, so this side, see, this side doesn't go, the zipper is just cut off right there. It didn't go all the way inside, not like the original one, the zipper. Okay, can you tell the difference? There's a huge gap there, and it looks so unfinished, and that part is the part that I hate the most. I really don't like. The moment I saw this item, I was about to just return it right away, but you know, I give it a few days now. I think I'm gonna keep it, try to ignore this part. And the other side is fine to me. Okay, the pull tab, I don't know if the pull tab is also, I doubt it's original Louis Vuitton hardware though, right? You can tell the difference, right? Yeah. And the hook, this one is absolutely terrible. The reason you see only 2 keys here and the rest I have to use my homemade hook circle thing is because this part is too thick. You cannot go through all these keys. That's why you see something like this. Look crazy, right? Yeah. So these are the 2 problems I want to point out in case you are thinking about having something like this. So why I want an item like this, the pattern is really something I'm currently crazy about, but I don't know if I can, you know, how bad it is. People are talking about it's easy to get stained with this pattern, but I love this pattern very much, so I want to try it out by getting something like this, you know. Secondly, I really like Clec. It's absolutely, to me, it's fit my lifestyle very well. So I am happy, kind of. You know, if I can ignore those 2 problems. And the cost of this is it's about $45. I think he raised his price recently, and the shipping is $13. And I'm gonna put these 2 together, let you see. So that I have a review for this item already, and they look so nice together. I love it every time, you know. Now I have my phone case and then key pouch coordinated. Looks so nice. Ready for the summer now. I have one more item to show you, and I will do the video when I have a chance. All right, any questions, please leave your comments down below. Let me know if you want to know the seller's detailed information. If so, I will dig that out and then post it for you. All right, talk to you. Goodbye.